There's a thunderstorm here. This is coming down, cats and dogs. And I'm having my morning coffee, and I got stuck out here. I don't know if you could see the rain. It is really coming down. It's a cloudburst, but it's nice and dry in here. I feel like I'm in the middle of the woods. There's a golf course through those trees. It's hard to see. There are the hostas, really blooming well. That's the neighbor. See, I'm even protected from the neighbor there. They can't see through the trees. And there's my patio. I have a ladder there. I was doing some work. There's the 2 chipmunks. Anyway, the plants are getting a lot of good watering now. It's really coming down. Wow, I don't know if I'll ever get back to the house without getting drenched. Let me see if you can see that. These are really getting wet. I don't know if you can hear the noise of the storm. There I was sitting there. There's my chair. Wow. There's lots of thunder too. Holy smokes. It's a big storm. I love summer storms. I don't know, there's probably golfers who got stuck playing golf somewhere in the middle of the course. It's too bad. They have to finish it now. That's the rule. You cannot leave a golf course game regardless if there's rain or not. Anyway, that's it. It's really, really coming down.